So this Bronco never ceases to amaze me. I take the rear drum off. Absolutely nothing. I mean, I knew it didn't have a wheel cylinder from the backside, but I was kind of expecting old pads or something. But then I go to the driver's side, and everything is brand new. Even the rotor. So that's going to save me like 40 bucks. So I guess it's a good thing. At least now I can measure the pads so I know which pads and rotors to order. Moving on. So here we are. We're back at Cross Country Garage East.
Whoa.
Kevin left his house. When did you leave your house last night?
Around like 6 o'clock.
Yeah, so...
well, Arizona.
Arizona time. There's
not Pacific, but Arizona. It's another hour closer to here.
Yeah, so
2 hours different. So it's 8 o'clock this time, 6 o'clock my time. Took a red eye. Guess what? I feel like a bag of poop right now. I'm tired, but you know what?
Yep.
We're working on the Bronco.
Yep.
It's the first time I've seen it. Scott's been freaking killing it.
Yep.
Crushed it.
Speaking of bag of poop, first thing Kevin saw was this intake here. Said, yep, let's yank that off and paint it. So
yeah, it kind of looks poopy.
So that's where we're going to start. We're going to yank it off, paint it. Everything else in the motor compartment looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does, man.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you.
All except for that intake.
The attention to detail with the nice new bolts and, you know, and the nice paint on the valve cover and the air cleaner that's pulled off over there. It's coming out good. I'm liking it. It's the first time I'm seeing it today, this morning. We did a little run out to get some hardware that I want to ship over to Arizona because we can get it by the pound here.
Yeah,
and
way cheaper.
Way cheaper, yeah. And then it would make you sick cheaper. And then because we discussed what we're going to do, hey, we went out and got some intake gaskets and a
thermostat gasket,
you know,
everything to clean this thing up.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the intake. Scott's gonna scrub it because he gets the dirty jobs, and then because he promised my hands are gonna stay like this. Probably not.
Yep. Kevin's here to he's gonna do the whole braking system.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the brakes, some of the mechanical. We're also gonna break into a couple other little projects, but we'll show you for another video. But yeah, this is the focus. I'm here for 5 days, and
we're gonna be driving this.
Yeah, we're gonna drive
at some point. We're gonna drive it.
No windshield.
Yeah, no windshield, but it has seats. Has seats. Has a steering wheel.
Hey, but you know what?
Yeah.
What
fuel tank hasn't seen any fuel.
What did I bring with me that we really needed?
Motivation.
You're very good in the motivation department. What's outside? Good weather.
The mailman, yeah, good weather. Mailman might have parts for us, though.
Looking at the mailman. No, you kidding.
Might have parts.
So we brought some good weather.
It's like 70.
Vibes. Yeah, Jersey.
For mid-March.
There's snow still. There's snow out there, and it's like 70 degrees.
Yep.
So, you know what? Without scoofing off, let's get started.
Alrighty. Okay, so here we are, later in the evening. Kevin just got here. He's been awake for like 36 hours or so. Wasn't happy with the intake, so we pulled it off. Cleaned it all up. Painted her up. Got her all mounted. I think we're good to go. So today we didn't have anything on the schedule. Tomorrow we start the brakes.
Welcome back to the channel. We're working on the 73 Bronco, and yes, I'm in Jersey, and well, I'm helping Scott do a bunch of different things, and well, one of the first tasks today is well, first off, we removed the intake yesterday and got that all cleaned up, got it painted, looks great. Scrub the carburetor down. That looks good. All right. Love just to take this bushel of stuff out and throw it away. Well, some of it we have to live with. There is some vacuum lines that have good judgment for being there, but there's a lot of extra lines running around. Like I had 2 sets of vacuum lines going, you know, one set going here and then one going there and doubling back. Vacuum's vacuum. You don't need 10 hoses when you could, you know, if you have one source for the vacuum, share it. We don't need all these extra hoses all over the place. So that's what I'm doing. Doing. That is what I'm doing. Gotta learn how to talk. I'm back in Jersey right now. So we're gonna move some of these T's around and make everything work and make it happy and streamline the process here a little bit. I don't have the tripod with me. Left that home. Sure, there's one here. Scott's doing his job thing, you know, making money. So left Kevin home alone. Home alone. So I'm gonna cause some mayhem here, and we'll log in a few, and I'll show you where I'm at.
So we found this kind of amusing. What's going on under here, Kevin, with the transmission cooling lines?
Well, how about we start from the beginning?
Yeah.
I was working in the motor compartment, and I was looking at the nice brand new radiator, and I saw that there was no transmission cooling lines hooked up to it, and I was like, oh, well, this isn't automatic. So they looped the lines here, and I think they did this just to quickly get it running.
Yeah, just see if it
So
works.
it's just you know, a common situation.
Yep, it was a temporary fix.
Yeah, it was just you know, so they can run it temporarily.
So
Probably
yep.
drive it around the yard or.
It worked, but not for long trips.
Nope.
So while I was at work, Kevin went through, fucking redid all the electrical, got rid of the vacuum octopus.
It was the Wactopus.
Yeah, the wactopus. Straightened everything up, you know, new cap and rotor. Look at all these nice shiny new bolts in there. Nice return spring, because Kevin wouldn't allow me to drive it with the spring that was on it that didn't fit. New master cylinder. We're not doing anything till the, what are we missing? Oh, the proportioning valve. Coming tomorrow.
Yep.
Yep. Kevin made me splurge and get a Willwood. Wasn't by choice. Well, actually, it was the one that could get here quickest.
And then I'm gonna get them drunk tonight and have them given to me.
There you go.
For beatnik.
Yep. Just fucking put that right in your bag and be like, yeah, dude, fuck, Amazon never came.
Yeah, I don't know. Some weird guy came and like took it.
Yep.
I actually
All right.
need a half-inch one. I
Really?
was cute on that one.
All right.
Yeah, but
Oh.
you know, we're doing good. We're doing good.
Yep, let's continue on.
I like I don't have to jack this up to get under it.
No, it's got some room.
So we got absolute mayhem here. Working on brakes. And got parts everywhere. Things are going okay. And seems like there's some mishmashing on the parts, unless this is just us. And also, I'm learning how to work with four-wheel drive hubs.
Good times. Lots of fun.
Yeah. Motor's looking even more tidier. Scott did a good job, but then I came in also and I did a little cleanup on the engine, and everything worked out pretty good. Got a master ran, some new lines. Going good. It's day, I don't know. And we're at the point of still, you know, working on the brakes. What I did was I took the front backing plate off of the passenger side here, and it was nice. I put it together on the bench instead of crouching on the floor and dropping stuff, and yeah. So looking all nice, rebuilt, Scott prepped the whole backing plate and painted it all nice for me. She told me it's not a greasy job. Yep. All right. How's it going over there, Scott?
Good. I'm almost tied in here, and I found some nice little channels in the new floor to run the brake lines and circle back and run the fuel lines. So I'm gonna hook this up and just route her down.
Cool. And then after we get all the lines on, we are gonna cap off the rear brakes for now because we're waiting on some.
It's cap one.
Oh, just the one?
Yeah, this one's fine.
Oh, all right.
That's why I just put that one cap on the other side, so it
Oh,
can
okay.
bleed everything.
All right, cool. So we're gonna after we get the brakes done, who knows when, but we will we'll bench bleed the truck bleed the master. It's much easier just to do it there, and then we'll hook up the lines and then run some fluid through them and see what we have. Hopefully no puddles. Hopefully. All right.
So what you doing, Kev?
Well, you know and I know it's the last day.
We got about a half hour, and then off to Philly.
Airport. Yep. Just well, we just got the Bronco started. Well, it was a runner, and we threw new fuel line on, and okay, let's make sure it starts. You know.
Yep.
But as you see in the other videos, and maybe this one's still in it, you know, we
Well, this is gonna be the wrap-up video, I think, here.
the wrap-up of the video or wrap-up video.
We have a ton of editing. Ton.
Yeah, we got a lot that went on, but got the motor cleaned up. Scott did an awesome job on everything on the sides of it, and I was like, well, let's get to the center of it, the centerpiece. So we pulled the intake, threw some new gaskets on there, gave the carburetor a little exfoliating scrub with some gas.
Today was all electronics day.
Today was electronics day.
Everything's all pretty much set up.
We got all I got everything pre-wired, you know, from the light switch, and Scott got the oh so swanky power seats wired up.
And we got the fuse box in.
Fuse box in. What else?
Sounds
Sounds like we didn't do much, but we did a lot.
Yeah. We still have to go through, a leak here or there on some of the newer brake lines. It's it's gonna happen.
It happens. Yeah. There's a lot of lines, and
But here's the main thing though.
it's got
It's
brakes.
here. Let me hand that to you. I'm gonna hit the key so I can see how it goes.
Yeah.
I'll keep it running.
Got it. Little 302, and sounds good. Sounds like a little sewing machine. A big sewing machine.
Focus out on the $200 rims and tires. That's something to do too.
Oh yeah.
Turn this off so you can hear. Yeah, man.
So thank you to Marketplace, right, Scott?
Yep.
Scott found a set of wheels and tires.
And the center caps.
And the center
With
caps.
spare ones.
And spare ones.
They're for sale.
For $200. I think we did good. Look at it. It's got some good waffle to it. The wrench is hidden. No, you know what? I really enjoyed my my time out. It's been 6, 8, or maybe
5 days.
Well, I mean, like, since I've been here with working, like 7 months?
Yeah, something like that. You went home in like July.
Yeah, and
Longer.
no, I think it was August.
Oh.
Anyway, end of summer, I left,
In
and
case anyone's wondering, Kevin, you might want to explain that.
no, this is perfectly fine. This is the for the transcooler.
Transcooler bypass.
Yeah, we just if you want to hook something up,
Yeah.
or hang a sock off it,
Yeah. Truth is, we just don't have the fittings, so
Yeah, we gotta get the fittings for the radiator, and we did run the new lines, and they'll be trimmed up and
All on.
all
New
installed.
fuel line again. Hard line.
Yep,
This time.
absolutely. So it's looking good, though. I mean, this is exciting because next time potentially I'll see it. Everything will be all back together, or hey, you know what? It might be sold and gone. What do we know?
Technically, we can just put antifreeze in and go for a ride, but
Yeah.
I think Jared will be here soon.
Yep. Got the girlfriend coming, and we're gonna be heading for the Rocky Stairs sometime soon. Oh boy.
Yep.
I guess that's what they like to do. Yeah.
That should pretty much wrap it up.
Yeah.
Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends. She made it to the steps. She's not running though. She's just taking it all in. Taking it all in. Kevin's like, yep, I've seen enough. Gary wants to see more.